Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a bat. First, let's draw the head just like an onigiri. 2 circles for the eyes and 2 little circles inside the eyes. Little nose, and that's the mouth, the fangs, and the ears. Let's continue with the fur on the neck, just like a cloud, and then down the body, round, and draw a curve and another curve, and the feet. This is how you draw the wings. The top first and the other one so that they have almost the same size. And then let's finish the wing. That's the membranes of the wing, and the right one as well. Let's draw the detail of the wings, just up and then down, the other one on the left, and then lines on the membranes of the wings. Actually, they are its fingers. Don't forget 2 ovals for the rosy cheeks. We're gonna color the wings black and dark gray. Dark gray for the membranes of the wings. The tummy is also gray. And we use the same color for the head. It's dark gray. Pink for the rosy cheeks and also inner of the ears. And for the color, the fluffy fur color, it's dark brown. And also for the feet, black for the eyes. The rest of the body and also ears, they are black. And now it's done. Wow, it's very cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.